Hi everyone, let's start demo 40. So the new features. First, what we receive first is the search. We improve search relevancy on products using world position, as you see. The aim was to put products that match the query at the beginning before the others. So for example, accessories will be the last results. We'll see a demo after. Second thing, yes, the example from previously, what if you search for drillers, you would have found flexible drillers, drillers Dexter, drillers Makita. Now you will have driller Dexter, Makita, and flexible driller because driller is in the second place. Okay. And do you know why flexible drillers was the first one before? You don't know. Julien? No. So flexible driller, I don't know either. Okay. No, it's a joke. Here you have two words, okay? So for the engine, it's based on a rarity. So the driller is one match on two words, okay? Drillers is one match on 3, 4 words, okay? And it works like that because it's more rare to have a driller. Driller is more exotic in the product title, okay? And now it's fixed. We use driller in the position, okay? Next slide. We revamped the search UI. Alban, the two Alban, you did a great job on. You will see, a good job on stuff. Okay, can search on extinguisher, extinctor. Okay, so here is you have a kind of dashboard with exact matching category. So we found an extinctor category. So this is the exact part, the list of categories we found, and the list of contents, products that we found. If you remember, exact category is to redirect the customer to the category because we think that category is better, is merchandised better than just a list of random list of products. Okay. We have the list of category. I won't talk about it. You can switch to the categories and contents. One category and contents. We finish infinite scroll here, so you can go down, and you will see that the boost extinctrice is a boost extinctrice is below the extractor. Pas fait exprès. That's it.
Thank you. On our side, we just added a button for Antoine to synchronize taxonomies between Poolparty and Opus. So on the global configuration, you can synchronize. And then I just created a new tree in pre-production. So you've got an alert, and then you can add it. Synchronize. Okay, we've got our new navigation. So this is the first step to improve the links between Poolparty and Opus, and then in further user stories, we will work on how to help Antoine and Merchandiser, how to help to be sure that what we did in Poolparty is okay with Opus, is well synchronized without doing any mistakes. And then so you can go into category. You will have to refresh the page. A small issue. Thank you. We still have some bugs to resolve, but there you can see the navigation. Maybe next slide in the presentation. Okay, it's okay. It's all for us.
Hello. So as you can see, this week we've got the figures are a little bit red and orange. So this is just normal because as you can see before, we innovate every day, and when you innovate, you could lost availability. So because of that, we spend time this week, and next week we'll spend time on the different issue to be green next week or week after. And second things, we participate to the Run Award organized by the Omnicommerce community, and we win the the innovation prize. So that's it.
So like every week, we would like to add a few words about quality. Thank you. So as you saw in the previous demo, we have a lot of fields to cover. Today we'll be focusing on the code a little. Not a lot, because it can be quite boring. But let's talk about the code. Thank you. The coverage is still quite good. It's getting a bit low because we have been spending some time trying to add more feature tests. So the tests are still here, but it has changed. It's not the same kind of test. We have about 300 test suits. It's not bad, I think. We cover quite a lot of things, and this is something new. We tried to measure the line of code, the number of lines in the code, and we already have quite a lot of code. So it's great. What we will do in the weeks to come, we will be displaying those numbers with decrease or increase indicator. So it could be nice to follow the increase of test, for example, and the increase of line of code. So this is what we'll be sharing with you in the weeks to come. That's it.
Okay, what's next? So maybe you know the release 4 is now beginning. So we'll share the release 4 backlog on Monday. So you'll have an overview of it each week, beginning next Friday. So you will be able to see the advancement and so on. But we can share with you all the features that are going next, because it's really easy. So the next feature to be developed into Opus is the filter by price. So unfortunately, we wanted to deliver it this week, but it's not ready yet, so we won't talk about it anymore. To define a service hub, so to be able to create the hub service for the website and for the application. To replace an attribute value by a picture, so really useful for the brands into the thumbnails, and even for the filters, because you want to have a picture of the color instead of only the word. To integrate the editor's contents, so this is a great feature to be able to do the magazine, to do the hub service, and so on. To integrate the ebook nomenclature. This is more replatforming stuff, but it will be great because it will enable us to accelerate into the population of all the categories. And there is two features for the search. So to display the exact match category, even if something is not totally exact. For instance, if you search with drill with a typo, you should find the right category. And the ability to search using synonyms. So, for instance, the barbecue, because it's the summer, and you'll be able to have the right terms with the synonyms. So that's it. And do not forget to give your feedback into Tangram to help us to improve the product. Thank you very much, and see you next week. Si vous avez des questions, n'hésitez pas. On peut passer en français là.